ready to share your brilliant code with the world. Today, we're diving straight into how to push code from Visual Studio to GitHub in just a few easy steps. First, make sure you've made the changes you want to commit in your Visual Studio project now. Look for the Git Changes tab, usually located at the bottom right of your Visual Studio window. If you don't see it, go to View, then Git Changes. In the Git Changes window, you'll see a list of all the modified files. This is where you stage your changes. Click the plus icon next to each file you want to include in your commit, or click the plus icon next to changes to stage all the modifications at once. Now, it's time to write a descriptive commit message. In the commit message box, type a clear and concise description of the changes you've made. This helps you and others understand the purpose of this commit. Later on, click Commit Staged, and your changes are now committed locally. Next, we need to push these local commits to your remote GitHub repository. Look for the sync option. It's often an up and down arrow icon. Click on Sync, and Visual Studio will handle pushing your commits to your remote branch. If you're pushing to a new branch, or if it's your first time pushing, you might be prompted to specify the remote branch. Just make sure the correct remote repository and branch are selected, and confirm the push process will start. And you'll see progress updates in the output window. Once the push is complete, your code is live on GitHub. And there you have it. You've successfully pushed your code from Visual Studio to GitHub. Now, go forth and collaborate. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick coding tutorials.